Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for toctown.com. I have a few moments to do a flip through and introduce to you all of the planners that I'm going to be using for all the books August 2020. And I have all of them here except for my everyday carry, which is my day timer. Not only will I share with you the flip through from prior, but I also added a couple of inserts from So Much Crafting, which of course I'll include a link down below if you're looking for not just a full set of calendar inserts, but just, tips and tools and different techniques that you can add on to your planner while you're on the go. So real quick, I want to share with you my Filo Fax Cross, as well as some of the inserts that I am going to be using throughout the season. Okay, and some of you may have seen the first flip through. I did a basic, I don't even have washi on the side. I have a postcard grid on the left hand side, only because if I need to jot down a note or a specific reason why I want to use my inserts, then I have it right here. So just to go through real quick with you, of course, if you have any questions, leave them down below. And I have the first cover with to-do list, and this is from another Filo Fax, which I'll share with you later on this month, but these are already pre-cut, and I can make a quick to-do list for not only my videos but my day-to-day running. Mostly this is for when you have pockets of time that you just go ahead and jot it down while you're on the road, or even working in your office. That way you don't lose that thought. Okay, the first one is the planning in pockets, post-COVID related material. I went ahead and highlighted the year at a glance, the rest of the months that we have left, because I really think that we can salvage a lot of the time, and make them resourceful. Even if you're looking for a new job, there are going to be a lot of positions, I think, opening up, due to social media, and as well as more bricks and mortar changing out their arrangement and how people visit and engage with their product. Okay, so then that's all the way through to 2024. Then in the second section, I have the full year of 2021 and also the month at a glance. These are all my prices for my patreon.com/TOCtown if you want to visit it, or even if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll be sure to share with you a lot of the information that I have for my members as well as my ongoing subscribers. There's your month at a glance, of course, your divider. And I don't have the dailies in here because I really feel like, because the rings are so small, that I don't want to stuff this one. I just want to keep all of the basic information at hand and ready. Any notes that I have about a small business owner that I've used in the past. And of course, some line pages for just in case, and you never know. Okay, the third section is, of course, year and month at a glance for 2021. And then the third section, I decided to put the grid for So Much Crafting, which I'm going to be using this to outline a lot of the finances that I've invested, the time and the energy that I put into developing my social media channels, as well as a lot of the creative content that I put together, personally. So that's going to be fun. And for the address section, as opposed to, putting my personal clients in there, I'm going to use this as a reference for the small business owners that I use, and also, put them, if I want to put them as a good reference, or maybe, not recommend them so much to another person based on my personal experience. So it's going to be a great, quick library reference. That way I can use up the papers, as well as, have a system of accountability that, yes, I did use small business owners, and they are live and local in the USA. So I'm really enjoying a lot of the small business owners that have come up through the years, while I've been planning, in various books. They're everything from micro all the way through to, 8.5 by 11. I don't know what they call it, but the biggest size normally is just 8A5 here in the States. So, and I'm sure internationally they go up even higher. And then there's a whole nother category with digital downloads. So that's my flip through for my Filo Fax Pocket. I hope you can join me for some lunch and learn session. Once again, let me show you. I have 2 Filo Faxes, 1 Day Designer, and 1 Mambi Happy Planner. So this one I use for my creative content. This one I use for like a directory, social media, today to do, tally, accountability. And of course, here I'll have in the next section more information about the evergreen content that I'm going to be sharing on my Patreon. And of course, this is for Lunch and Learn. Alright, ladies, thanks so much for subscribing. Do hit that subscribe button if you want to hear more about my pen to paper planning. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for toctown.com. I'm live and local from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. ready to serve you. Take care.